So now we're going to talk about how we can print one by one, how we can print one by one the keys values. So we do print is DID, which I think I've done it here, print DID. Now we do output will give us 1, 2, 3, 4, but now let's go here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now print the age. Now we did age, and now it will give us the age and the value. And also, but here, let me go back. Here. So age is 1, 2, 3, name, the age is 12, 12, 23, 34. Now we do print the name. Now it'll give us the name. Aryan, Aman, Aisha. Here. I think I did it here before. Here, let me go back. It's right here. It's way just there's a lot of coding, but we do, that's what we do. We do, here we go. Yeah, I skipped a while. So print the name and age again. It just gives us the names here, and we can see it's the same thing. Now we go to replace or update the key of value. We do D and age is 12. So same code, D and D, age is 12, 14, 15. We can go, we can also do that. We can also replace it by, here, let's go. Let's go make one right now. So D, age equals, what's the numbers? So we can do 12, 13, and 12, 14, 15. 12, 14, 15. Now if we do D, now if you print D, but see now the age is 12, 14, 15 now. It's not 23, 34, or 45 anymore. It's 12, 14, 15. So let me just delete this so in another, like any other code doesn't get an error. Now keys and values. So we're gonna talk about keys and values right here. It's somewhere here. Here, right here, keys and values. So now we do print keys, values, and the dot items. We always put the in front of it and dot items. And the keys are name and age. And the dict, here, wait, here, yeah, now because I added another list, so the keys names are name, age, and ID. Values are these. It shows that all of the values that age, name, ID holds, and it puts in a list. Items are name. Uh, for name is Aryan, Aman, Aisha. For age is 12, 14, 15, and ID is 12, 23, 34. Now we go. I want to print both of these items. We can do print the dot items. It prints both keys. And here, the dot update. Let's do one real quick. So here we can also make another. So I want to print both. We go here, print MB, Control MB, and print dot D items. Print the dot items. Here, see, it shows it all of them. Both, it doesn't say both. I meant to say three because I just made a new list, so it prints all of them now. Now, now we're gonna talk about how we can perform more operation in dictionary. We can let's make a whole new list using curly braces, and these are all the codes. Now I want to merge these, so we do D1 dot update D2. So D1 now goes to D2, and now we print D1. It will give us D2 here. So we do D1 update D in D1. So we said D1 print D1, but D1 has fruits, but also has vegetables. Now, if you do D2 dot update D1, it will first give us D2's values, then D1's values. That's how it works. That's how we can perform more operations. So iterate less with dict is how we can repeat a list with dictionary is n equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which I did on n equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. SQ equals curly braces num, uh, two parentheses num, power of 2 for num and n, and now it repeats it. 1 is 1, 2 for 4, 3, and so 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 4 is 16, 5 times 5 is 25. That's power of 2, it just means we times the number itself with the same number. So 3 times 3 is 9. Now we can find the logic to find the model and the now we do n. Now we do a whole nother list. We do n a 12 b 23 c 34 modulo is key value 45% for key value and n dot items. So this is how we find the modulo. So 12, 23, 34. When it's bigger, it doesn't really give you the percentage. See here. Now we do, I guess let me do 90. See, when it's bigger than the all of the any other numbers, it won't give you, it will just give you the same number, the smallest number. Now we do 23. See here. So it just says minus. So 20 11 plus 23 is 33. But when we add that one more, it's 34. 23 minus 23 is 0 and 12. And we can't do 12 because 23 is bigger than 12, so it won't add 12. So if you do 2, here, see? So yeah, and we could just go back to 45. Now, that's all. Now we're gonna talk about how to add something in deck. We can just do my deck, name allies, city, which I just showed you guys to add something. These are like add a new item to dictionary, which I literally just did a whole list, which it was ID equals 12, 23, 34. For removing, we do n.del. So here, let's make one real quick. Yeah, right here, let me make a whole MB. So let's make that, now we go n.del. N.del. If it doesn't work, we just have to, yeah, see it doesn't work. Now we have to just make a whole new item. So n equals, now we just have to do all of this. A, curly braces, I mean, parentheses, A, boom, equal is 12. C, I mean, B, what's up? Because I don't want to mess it up. So that's a number. Now we do C, what was it? 20, 34. 34. Now it showed, no, it still gives the wrong answer. So I think we have to use del keyboard as we know, and any keyboard in Python has an inbuilt function that has a specific DAW. It deletes all keys and values in dict. N equals A 12, B is 23, and C is 34, N dot del. So I think I'm doing something wrong because I think I have to put a space. But that's how we delete it. I think because I already have a modulo in it, so that's why it doesn't work. So that's how we remove stuff. For pop is removing key and its value. We just do the same thing as del. N dot pop B output is different, so we select the key. Now it says A 12, C 34 because we did B, so it pops out, so it removes 23. C B 23, so it only shows the key A and C. So What is the difference between list, tube, and dictionary? So list is just ordered collection of items. I just do list as mutable. You can change it at anything. You can change it anytime. So this is how we do list. It's very easy. List dot append. Tubal is my list dot append now is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we added something 4. If I put 5, it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 5 now. If I put my list 1, so we use the number 1 right here. I mean my list as in 1. So this is 0, that's 1. And now we put it says equals 20. So now beside 2 is 20. Now tuple is the same thing, but it's immutable, so you cannot change it or add. You can do some other operations that you can change by using other stuff. So my tuple 1 to 3, my tuple 1 equals 20. This will give us an error because we can't change it. You have to. So how we can remove it is del my dict and city removes the key value pair for city. Now name alias age 26. See, now it removes city only, and now it gives us only alias and name and age. Using pop is to remove a key value pair and return the value. So my dict pop age output would be 26. So print my dict is output name is alias. That's how we do it. I literally did this again, iterating and modifying for key and dict. So we can just delete this because I did the whole thing again over there, right here for my dict key. I think it's right here. Here, yeah. But we can also do print dot keys and it will just give us the output. So we can delete this. Now merging dictionaries, as I told you guys, we have to do uh mydict.update.to. This is how we do d1.update and d2, so we can delete this. I don't want to give you guys a lot of stuff. Using the, oh yeah, I've also showed you this is the power. Let me delete it real quick. This is the power of Python. So here, wait, before I show you guys here, print new dict is equals my dict as in other dict. So now is uh print new dict output will be name alias age 26 and email will be alias.example.com. That's how we can like use the power operator. Clear or username is just using clear, my dict dot clear, nothing will be in there. The output will be nothing if we print my dictionary. So that's all we learned about today. How what is dict, how it can be used, how we can clear, how it can be used with tubal and list. So thank you guys for watching and listening and subscribe to my channel and have a good day. Thank you and bye bye.